Hi, Rudolph. Good afternoon. As we mentioned in the last video conference, I will explain how I manage all sort of informations using keyword and database. Actually, I think all sort of my information or my knowledge or perceptions, all sort of my awareness itself is have some sort of attachment to me, which is I may call it clue, or which I may call it some sort of lingering memories around myself in a brain or my whole body. So I would say my approach as a clue-based access, previous years' documents or memos or videos, photos, whatever we can digitize themselves, then we may have put some clues on top of the innate material. Then we can juggling with, or we can pull out some clues from my body or my mind. Then I can typing it on some search window. I may get to the access to my intended material easily. That is my basic idea. So let's go. How can I do that?